We've just boarded Captain Andy's 65-foot star catamaran, and we're going to be sailing along the Nepali coast in beautiful Kauai. The tour that we chose was the Captain Andy's Star Snorkel Barbecue Tour. And we've done this before in the past, and we highly recommend Captain Andy's charters. They're fantastic. Captain Andy has been taking guests on Kauai boat tours along the Nepali coast since 1983. And you'll be accompanied by an experienced captain and crew. And you'll explore Hawaii's most stunning coastline, take in majestic views, and check out the local wildlife. Let me share an overview of what this tour is all about. We're going to experience the ultimate Nepali coast snorkeling adventure aboard Captain Andy's iconic 65-foot star-class sailing catamaran. From the moment you step on board, you're greeted with warm hospitality and the professionalism of your experienced crew. We're going to cruise along the dramatic coastline in style, taking in dramatic views of Nepal's towering cliffs, lush valleys, and cascading waterfalls. There's also an indoor area to relax in spaciousness, and they have bathrooms downstairs as well. There's shaded spots where you can watch the Hawaiian spinner dolphins, sea turtles, and other marine life along the way. Then you get to snorkel in Kauai's vibrant tropical waters for an even closer look at the underwater beauty surrounding the island. This really is an unforgettable journey, which is complete with a delicious barbecue lunch prepared on board, blending comfort, adventure, and world-class service on the iconic Nepali coast. Once aboard our 65-foot catamaran, Captain Andy and his crew, they find a wonderful snorkeling area that's nice and calm. They do supply all of your snorkel gear if you don't bring your own, and they will give you lessons if you do need lessons. We spend about an hour snorkeling out here. Afterwards, there is an open bar where they offer beer, wine, Prosecco, and the open bar is for the rest of the trip, which is still a couple of hours. Afterwards, we head along and cruise the Nepali coast, which is absolutely gorgeous. They do barbecue on board, and they offer you either hamburgers or chicken patties, or they'll offer you a vegetarian option, which is like a bean type of a burger. The food was really good. We really enjoyed it. Oh, and I forgot to say, they started this off in the morning, and they had some really nice coconut pineapple muffins. They had some fruit, and they had some juices. Perfect start to the day. The only thing that you really need to bring on this boat trip is maybe a towel, a light windbreaker, and basically that's it. They'll supply all your water and juices on board, and beverages and that sort of thing. So they have everything that you need on board. If anybody gets seasick, they will provide you with Dramamine as well. Now we have just entered the Nepali coast area, and the views are really just stunning. There's a little bit of a fog out today, or I think what they call it is fog. This is because of the volcano that they're having on the big island, and it's creating like a fog, or what they call fog. But otherwise, it's still absolutely gorgeous. I should also let you know that when you're cruising the Nepali coast, you see schools of flying fish, and you see them underneath the water, and all of a sudden they breach the water and they fly in the air, and then they go back down, and they're really cool to watch, and you see hundreds of them at a time. We also get to see spinner dolphins on this trip as well. Now, if we were here during the whale season, naturally we'd see whales out here as well. And when you snorkel out here, you see sea turtles and that sort of thing. Now, if any of these areas look familiar to you, it's because they filmed Jurassic Park on this coastline, King Kong, Skull Island, 6 Days and 7 Nights, Pirates of the Caribbean, and On Stranger Tides. And they also filmed Soul Surfer out here as well. The cliffs and the valleys were used for the prehistoric jungles, deserted island survival, and epic adventures. Another little piece of trivia, the Nepali coast is not accessible by vehicle. It's only accessible by boat or helicopter. And here we have coming up a pod of spinner dolphins. I love watching these guys. I can watch them all day. You've been road trekking with Row and Low. Thank you so much for watching my segment on Captain Andy's Star Snorkel Barbecue trip on the Nepali coast. We really enjoyed it, and I highly recommend any of Captain Andy's boat tours. Thank you so much for watching.